Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So yet another nail in the coffin, and I want to take you back to this video which I made 8 days ago for you, and I want you to listen to this if you're new. Appreciation, because there's so many channels out there. You guys still choose to watch those channels, but you end up clicking on Adam Coin's video. So Adam Coins is actually happy now, which is going to kill me inside if I do not become very honest with you and not give you a very honest technical analysis. Now, regardless of whether you want to hear this or not, but there's something I want to show you. Now, previously I've talked about a bullish rectangle. Of course, we have a bullish rectangle, but the thing is that there is one little bit of a problem. I may not even say one little bit of a problem. It's actually a clear problem that I must talk about. And if I go on and just come straight to the point, here it is. So when I zoomed out, psychology says that sometimes you have to clear the pattern. And when you clear the pattern, you have to reanalyze all the things that you are looking at. Now, if I do zoom in into one thing, unfortunately, there's an ascending head and shoulders. Maybe this can be more clear if I shift on the 4-hour time frame and I show you this. So I can possibly agree with people who want to say that this is a left shoulder head and this is a right shoulder, because it is, okay? It is clearly a head and shoulders. Now, the thing with this head and shoulders, if I go back into the daily and I show you the head and shoulders, it actually looks even clearer. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and a rectangle. And that's why I say, if you really come above and break above it, then actually this is going to play out. And you're going to see PEPE moving up to, 16,000. So I'm just going to drop the blue out to bottom. And it's going to take you down to 6,916. So basically that's the target where... All right, so this video aged well like a boss. And I do not have anything else to say other than this, okay? It happened, we failed. I gave you the most honest thing. So all I can say is, what is going to stop you from liking this video, okay? Does that stop you from liking the video? Or what's even going to stop you from following the channel? Because day in and day out, I keep telling you the most truthful analysis that I can do. But it doesn't really stop there. There's one more thing I want to talk about, and I have brought trade ideas, and this trade ideas is something that I've been working on for quite some time. So normally what I do in the background is that I keep watching different patterns every day. I actually keep looking at the trending coins and what's going on in crypto. So when I open up the charts, I do find different setups, and I kind of like to share some of the setup for absolutely free for those traders who are struggling finding a nice good setup. So I actually end up giving the best setup out of hundreds of coins that are easy to trade for you, which are very beginner friendly. So 4 out of 5 of these patterns are actually playing out, which means I'm having almost 80% accuracy, 80 to 90% accuracy. It started off with PEPE, and this is PEPE, and I gave a rising wedge, and this was 42% drop to the downside. Even let's talk about the PEPE itself, this video that I'm talking about. 8 days ago, I actually gave you head and shoulders. You could have even traded that, okay? That's another success. The proof is there. I've just showed you. And also, I gave Bitcoin, and Bitcoin, is also going down. This was Bitcoin, and Bitcoin actually did start to drop a little bit to the downside. Now this time around, I have given another one, okay? So if you want to be a part of Discord for absolutely free, just comment Discord on this video, and I'm going to give you invitation link, because I have given another rising wedge, and this is 42%, which you can actually take right now as you join. It still has a drop pending at the moment, okay? So this is something you can trade. And 42%, how much is 42%? That's a lot of money for just this one single trade, okay? And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next round of office.